How do I check power supply compatibility for my PC? Imagine building a computer that runs smoothly without any power hiccups. That's where understanding your power supply becomes key. If you want your PC to work well and last longer, you need to make sure your power supply matches your system's needs. Let's walk through how to do that step by step. First, you need to check if the power supply will physically fit inside your computer case. Power supplies come in different sizes called form factors. The most common is the 8Hex size, but smaller cases might need microATX or SFX power supplies. Look at your case specifications to see which form factors it supports. Then, pick a power supply that matches those dimensions. Next, look at the connectors. Your motherboard needs a 24-pin main connector to get power. The CPU requires a 4-pin or 8-pin connector. If you have a dedicated graphics card, it probably needs 6-pin or 8-pin PCI Express connectors. For drives and peripherals, you'll need SATA or Molex connectors. Check your motherboard and component manuals to see what connectors they need, and make sure your power supply has matching cables. Wattage is another big factor. You need enough power to run all your parts. To find out how much, add up the power consumption of your CPU, graphics card, drives, RAM, and other devices. You can use online power supply calculators by entering your specific components. It's smart to add an extra 100 to 200 watts to handle peak loads and future upgrades. For example, a basic office computer might only need 300 to 400 watts, but a gaming setup with a high-end graphics card could need 600 watts or more. Don't forget about power quality and efficiency. Look for power supplies with an 80+ certification. This means they are at least 80% efficient at converting power from your wall outlet into usable energy for your PC. Better efficiency helps your system run more reliably and saves on electricity bills. Finally, check the cables. Make sure the cables from your power supply are compatible with your components. Some brands, cables are not interchangeable, so stick with the same brand if possible. Also, consider if you want a modular power supply, which allows you to connect only the cables you need, making inside your case neater and easier to manage. In short, to check if a power supply is right for your PC, verify it fits your case, has the right connectors, supplies enough wattage, and meets efficiency standards. Using a wattage calculator and reviewing your system specs helps you pick the perfect match. When you do this, you can build or upgrade your PC with confidence that it will run smoothly and reliably.